Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to transfer photos and video from your iPhone to in your desktop or laptop, any Windows PC or laptop. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, this is my iPhone 15 and I would like to transfer some pictures from my iPhone to my current laptop. So anyway, if you want to transfer, first of all you need to connect this USB-C cable or whatever cable you have with your desktop or laptop. So I already connected with my laptop, and then I'm going to try to connect with this here. So when you connect, if it is connected for the first time, it might be tell you to click trusted device. So after you click trusted device, all those files or your iPhone going to be connect with that particular desktop or laptop. So when you connected your desktop or laptop successfully with your iPhone, you need to go in your Windows 11 or 10 search bar and type here photos. So when you click photos, we will see there is a photos apps. If it is not available in your desktop or laptop, you can go directly download from Microsoft Store. By default, it's all Windows. By default, this photos apps is available. Anyway, now you can see I had opened the photos app. So what you need to do, you need to click this import section, and then it's going to be appear just like this. So you need to click here Apple iPhone. So when you click Apple iPhone, all the file available in your iPhone, everything going to be import in this photos app. So it will take some time for importing, so be patient until come up all the files available in your phone. Those all going to appear here. Now you can see it's going to be loading all the photos and videos available in my phone. All those going to appear here. So after done appear, you can simply click here, either cancel, or you can just wait to until input all the files or photos available. Now you can see all those pictures successfully import in my these photos apps. Now from here, if you decide to choose all those pictures export to your PC, you can do that by selecting this select all. You can see total 1093 pictures and video is selected, and if you decide to export to your computer, you can do that. But I would like to select some particular pictures and video. For example, I would like to choose those pictures and this video, and then I will click here add 4 items, and then your screen going to appear. From here you can just extend it and you can create a folder if you decide. So I'm going to click here create folder, and I'm going to give a name like iPhone photos, and then I'm going to click here create. After that, I will select this folder, and then I'm going to click here import. So all those pictures going to be import from my phone to my desktop or laptop. Now if I go here in this folder section, these photos, we'll see there will be a folder just now I had created, which name is iPhone photos. If I click the, we'll see those particular pictures in video is appear here. So this is how you can easily import any pictures from your iPhone to your Windows desktop or laptop. Now you might be wondering how you can see those pictures in your computer. So you can just minimize these things or close this application, doesn't matter. You need to go here in your user file and then click here pictures, and then you will see there will be appear that just now we had created iPhone photos folder, that folder, and we'll see all those pictures we had imported from our phone. So in this simple way, you can easily transfer any photos and video from your iPhone to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 desktop or laptop. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.